Ladies and gents, my name is Brandon Stover. Welcome to the How to Solve Climate Change course from Plato University. Causes, systems, obstacles, solutions to this global challenge is what you're going to learn here today. When you're ready to learn more skills, join us for free at plato.university. Let's get started with today's lesson. Explain succinctly what building retrofitting is from first principles.
Building retrofitting refers to the process of making significant modifications or improvements to existing buildings to enhance their energy efficiency, reduce their environmental impact, and make them more sustainable. This involves upgrading various building systems, such as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, lighting, insulation, windows, and renewable energy integration, among others, to align with modern energy-saving technologies and climate-friendly practices.
Why does building retrofitting help to solve climate change?
Building retrofitting plays a crucial role in addressing climate change by significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Buildings are major contributors to carbon emissions due to their energy consumption for heating, cooling, and electricity. By retrofitting existing buildings to be more energy efficient and sustainable, we can substantially decrease their carbon footprint and minimize the overall impact of the built environment on the climate.
Steelman the other side. Why would building retrofitting not work to help solve climate change?
One potential argument against building retrofitting as a comprehensive solution to climate change is that while retrofitting improves the energy efficiency of individual buildings, it may not address the broader issues of urban sprawl, land use planning, and population growth that contribute to increased emissions. Additionally, some critics may argue that the cost and complexity of retrofitting certain older buildings or historical landmarks might be prohibitive and lead to minimal overall impact on climate change.
Who benefits most by implementing building retrofitting as a solution?
Most directly are the building owners and tenants. Reduced energy consumption results in lower operating costs and improved comfort for occupants. However, local communities also benefit from lower emissions, which will contribute to improved air quality and public health. Governments also benefit. Building retrofitting initiatives create green jobs and support economic growth while achieving climate targets.
Who is harmed most by implementing building retrofitting as a solution?
If not appropriately managed, retrofit costs could be passed on to tenants through increased rent. In another area, striking a balance between retrofitting for energy efficiency and preserving historical buildings can be complex.
How feasible is building retrofitting to implement as a solution?
Building retrofitting is a highly feasible solution as it capitalizes on existing infrastructure. The technologies and expertise required for retrofitting are widely available. However, challenges might arise due to varying building types, regulations, and funding limitations, which could affect the pace and scale of implementation.
How does building retrofitting work as a solution to climate change?
The process of building retrofitting involves the following steps. First is to conduct an energy audit to identify energy inefficiencies and assess the building's performance. Next is to identify retrofit opportunities, determine suitable upgrades, such as insulation, energy-efficient lighting, smart HVAC systems, and renewable energy integration. Execute the retrofitting plan, incorporating energy-saving technologies and sustainable materials. Finally, continuously monitor the building's energy performance and make necessary adjustments to maximize efficiency.
What is a real-life example of the solution of building retrofitting being implemented?
One real-life example of building retrofitting is the Empire State Building in New York City. The building underwent a comprehensive retrofit, which included upgrading windows, lighting, and HVAC systems. These efforts resulted in a 38% reduction in energy consumption and significant cost saving.
For building retrofitting as a solution to work, what innovation or policy needs to be created?
Governments can offer financial incentives, tax breaks, or grants to encourage building owners to undertake retrofit projects. Establishing and enforcing building codes and standards that mandate energy-efficient retrofitting in existing buildings. Raising awareness about the benefits of building retrofitting and fostering a culture of sustainability.
Right now, you're speaking to passionate students who want to actually solve problems like these. What top 3 skills should they study so that they actually have the ability to do so?
One area is energy engineering and auditing. Understanding building systems and conducting energy audits to identify retrofit opportunities. Then, of course, sustainable architecture and design. Incorporating green building principles and sustainable design practices into retrofit projects. Skills in project management and policy advocacy will help too. Skills to manage retrofit projects efficiently and advocate for supportive policies and funding at local and national levels.
To practice these skills, choose a real-world building retrofit project and analyze its goals, strategies, challenges, and outcomes. Discuss how it contributed to climate resilience.
Thank you for taking the How to Solve Climate Change course. If you want to learn the skills to solve this global challenge, join us for free at plato.university for exclusive content, extra resources, and actionable exercises with every lesson. This course was produced by Plato University, where students turn passions into purpose and learn skills to change the world. Learn more at plato.university.